Hi guys, this is Jono from Ecommerce SEO. In this video, we're going to talk about redirects in Shopify and some of the reasons you might want to do it, and a couple of tips that might make it easier in certain circumstances. Just quickly though, if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just hit the link below and you'll get updated when we add new videos. And also head on over to our free private Facebook group where we have plenty of discussion over there on Shopify SEO. Just apply, answer a couple of questions and we'll let you in. Okay, so just going to look at redirects for Shopify. Now, there is a number of different reasons you might want to do this. Obviously, if you're wanting to change the URL of collection pages or product pages, for example, possibly you're discontinuing a product and you don't want the search engines to render a 404 or the site to render a 404 like we're seeing on the screen now when someone comes in from an existing link, and you want to maintain that traffic value and any links pointing to that page, for example, and instead of going to a 404, you can redirect it to an appropriate page. We see a lot of stores, client stores in particular, where they've discontinued products or they've turned off collection pages, and you end up with a 404 error. So it's not the best way to deal with pages, especially if you've got any traffic coming to them or links pointing to them already. Now, another reason, for example, is you might need to shut your store down for a period of time while you're dealing with brand or inventory issues or whatever, and you want to redirect everything to a single page, and potentially you could do that and redirect to the home page. So there's a number of different ways you can do it. First of all, we'll just go and look at the way Shopify does it with redirects. So this particular page here, you can see our URL up here. This was a live collection. We've made the collection unavailable in the Shopify store. But if you come to navigation, online store navigation, and in the top left-hand corner there'll be URL redirects, and you come to this URL redirect section here, and you can create a URL redirect. And what you would do, you add in the collection page from the /collections, and then you can add in your home page if you wanted to redirect it to the home page, and then just click save. So now if we refresh this page, you can see it redirects to the home page. And if we look at our link trace, actually we'll just do that again, it didn't work that time. Okay, we can see in the top here, we look at our link trace, and it's a 301 redirect from that collection page here, to the home page. So that 301 redirect worked. Now you can do exactly the same for a product page. So we've got a product here that's live. What we'll do is make this product unavailable in the store, save it, and now if we refresh the page, it should go to a 404. Took a few seconds to renew, and now we've got a 404 on this product page. So if we grab that URL and we go to our redirects again, we add in up to the products, and then we add in our home page, and this could be to any page on the store, and we click save. Now when we refresh this product, it should redirect to the home page. We'll render it again, and is our redirect trace working? Not yet. And there we have our redirect trace from our products to our home page. Now, obviously, if you're wanting to redirect everything to the home page, to go through and do it all manually is going to take a bit of time. So you could use something like this app here, Easy Redirects, bulk redirects. So you can do it in bulk. The premium plan, you can set up the 404s with rules, so they redirect specifically to any page you want. Now the other way you can do it is one easy bit of code is using JavaScript redirect. Now it's not the same as a 301, and there's a little bit of confusion out there as to whether a JavaScript redirect or a Metafresh redirect is another option. Actually provide the same value as a 301. 301 is very clear to the search engines what you're trying to do, whereas JavaScript, it doesn't give the search engine or the algorithm the actual concept of what you're trying to do. So you might not get the same benefit as using a 301. However, if you wanted to do it in one foul swoop and really quite easily, you can just add a bit of JavaScript code to your liquid theme, which we'll go and do now. And here's a bit of code we'll use. So we add that in between the head section of the theme in the theme liquid file, and essentially it is just telling any browser that or a user or from a search engine that any 404 page will be automatically redirected to the home page. So we're going to test this now. So we'll just add it into our head and then click save. But what we need to do first also is remove our redirects that we created. And we're going to delete those. And we're going to make sure that those products are unavailable. So that product's unavailable and our collection is unavailable. So now if we grab that URL and we will add our URL in, and we can see it redirects to the home page, but we're going to check the redirect trace in a second. Okay, so our collection page renders to the home page, but if we look at the linked redirect trace, and it tells us that it's a JavaScript redirect from the this is actually from the product to the home page. And then if we look at our collection, same thing, JavaScript redirect from the collection to the home page. So what this bit of code will simply do is any 404 page that is rendered anywhere on your store, it will redirect it to the home page. So there's a number of different ways to set up redirects for your store for under different circumstances. You have a number of different options. You just need to look at what's more appropriate for the purpose of your redirects. Okay, thanks. We'll see you in the next video.